Kia ora.
Kia ora. Welcome to Season 2, Week 10 of Rolling Round Europe in Rolly. Woo! Week 10, wow. We were, as our last week in France, we was all about the cheese, wasn't it, Claire?
It was all about the cheese.
Claire cheesed out, big time.
I can honestly say I think I had too much cheese.
I never thought
I never thought I would say that, but yes, I had too much cheese.
So we started the week in Camembert, and we explored a number of Normandy cheeses. I got a cheese education, so I know a little bit more about cheese than I did at the beginning of it, because normally when I look into a cheese shop, I just see everything as cheese. I don't sort of differentiate the different cheeses. Now I've
But
a little
now
bit more
you do.
educated, so
Yes.
quite enjoyed that. That was
Good.
pretty cool. Then we also stayed at a really cool place, cider factory, farm stay, which is really cool, wasn't
That
it?
was very
Yeah, that
nice.
was really
Beautiful.
beautiful spot, actually.
little spot. Yeah.
The Normandy ciders are very nice indeed.
Yes, a lovely bike ride from there.
Yeah, had a good
For the
bike
day.
ride and found a chateau thing, which isn't really a chateau. Then where did we go? It was time to tidy up, wasn't it?
Time to tidy up. We had to clean poor old Rolly.
Rolly needed to clean.
He'd gotten a little bit dirty.
Yeah, so gave him a bit of a clean and packed him away, really, didn't we?
Packed him away for the winter.
For his next exercise, next adventure.
Yeah.
And then we Ubered off to the airport and flew off into the sunset.
Flew off
Pretty
into
much
the
it,
sunset.
wasn't it?
It's a bit sad. It was
Bit
a
sad, really.
day.
Yeah, there was a few tears shed saying goodbye to Rolly. But there'll be more adventures to come. So check out the video, and if you like it, give us a thumbs up.
Enjoy.
And if you like it, give us 2 thumbs up. Woohoo!
Bye.
Bye.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young, it has just begun as she puts her hand in mine.
We're going through the cheeses. We've got the bottom one. We've had that one. That was really good. I like that the best, actually. Sort of a slightly harder cheese. The Pont l'Evêque and Livarot. We've got that actually, haven't we? The Pont l'Evêque.
Got this.
And we haven't tried the Livarot yet, but we're in Camembert. So, when in Camembert, do us the French.
We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just 2 hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be.
When in Camembert, roasted camembert or camembert roti. We got a camembert and a livarot, and washing them all down with a local cider. What do you reckon, Claire? So good. That looks good. These are all the real Camembert labels. Different types, just different makers at the top.
We're gonna be 2 hearts running wild.
So park up for the night at a cider place. Make cider, Calvados and Pommeau.
Just 2 hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be. We're gonna be 2 hearts running wild.
Got a little bit of forest on our ride today. It's a bit cooler inside the forest.
Moonlight, summer sky, it was the best we ever had. And we'll stay on forever. We'll never have regret.
Just cycling past this really cool old house. Look at that. Nicely wooded and little pattern in between the wood. Don't know if you can see that very well, but and just down the road there's a nice church. This is in the middle of the countryside, so not even a village really. Very cool. So we've just cycled in, and this is the other side of it. It's actually called Manor de Belleau, and it's a big grounds with lots of outbuildings. They're a cidery, and they also sell organic bio products. Very cool looking place. You can actually go and do tours, but we've arrived during lunch hour. Just on a bike ride out through the Normandy countryside around Camembert. Beautiful day. Kev's forecast 27 degrees, sunny, fine. Next few days getting pretty hot, aren't they, Claire? 34 and 32, so we're gonna have to come up with a plan. Got the baguette. Living the French life. Just arrived at what looks like a chateau, but it's actually a manor. Manor de Lille. I think I'm saying that right, correctly. I don't know. Really cool place. It's in a beautiful garden. And it's actually on the cycling trail, so we cycle right into it. Probably a rich cheese maker or cider maker back in the day. We'll find out more shortly. Well, we demolished half a block of Camembert and a bit of Chateaux, but it was a beautiful, tranquil spot to do that in. Can't wait to go around the other side because I can spy around the other side. Lots of flowers. Wow, that's magnificent. Look at that. This is actually the place we drove past. You would have seen it, the last shot of the last video. Very pretty with the flowers and the entryway there. And let's just come and have a look at the gardens and the fountains. Okay, a bit of a story. Apparently this was built in 1911 by the wealthy cheesemaker Bisson. He's a Camembert maker. The reason I think it's called a manor house rather than a chateau is chateaus really are about the lineage of the owners, and because it's new money really, in 1911 it's called a manor house rather than a chateau. Interesting. And an equally impressive stable. Walked into the town, well, we've parked in here while we train Rolly, and walked into the town of New-sur-Avre. That's my bad pronunciation, sorry. Pretty cool old buildings here. Been to the patisserie and got a hot baguette. Oof.
Straight from the oven.
And you can't see that yet.
The
I'll show that later.
obligatory pastries.
Normandy Normand, and Verdun.
Verdun.
Wait, you'll have to wait and see that. A lot of these wooded buildings in the Normandy region, and quite a good looking church steeple there. Can't see much with the sun behind it. Just come into the town of Verneuil-sur-Avre, excuse the pronunciation, and it's parked rolling out over there. Rolly's getting a big wash, shampoo before we put him away for the year. Looking shiny in the sun. Goodbye, Rolly.
Bye, Rolly.
We'll miss you.
Fun. See you, baby.
Never sleep, never stop.